trains in Montreal, and I got a double stack train here at Dorval at about 5 o'clock p.m. on the 26th of September 2023. Closer tracks don't have anything, and that's a lot of empties. This looks like it's going to be an empty train. Oh, here we got some more double stacks here at the Dorval ramps. Kind of hoping to see another second train go the other way, maybe. So maybe a CP train. So the air is starting to chill now, so we're starting to get into autumn here in Montreal. Kind of sad. I can still do a little bit of biking, but the weather is starting to chill over. We're gonna have maybe two more good weeks of really nice 20s weather, and then it's gonna start to get into the 10s and 15s. Today the high temperature was 20 Celsius, and later this week and this weekend it's going to be higher, but that's coming to an end, sadly. Another chapter on another summer is over. I believe now we're actually second day of autumn, and it won't be long before the leaves start to change. Earlier today, I was at Walmart, or the Namur area, and I went into Winners and all that at Côte Saint-Loup, and I did catch a QGRY train, and I wanted to say I found one of the best graffitis I've ever seen on a auto rack. A beautiful plastic car. It wasn't even souped up or anything. It looked like, you know, one of those 1960s, and in a turquoise blue. Really nice. I really wish more graffiti artists would do that kind of thing rather than just, you know, letters and whatever. Start to think outside the box, guys. Anyone can draw letters. Prove yourself an artist. I'm going to be posting that video fairly soon. Because it's just so interesting. I mean, it's just the coolest thing one of the coolest things I've ever seen on an auto rack. And it's especially fitting because, of course, those boring aluminum cars do carry automobiles. And I like that the person considered that. And also they harken back to automobiles when they were, you know, they had some design and they had some style. And they actually marked a certain status of a person's life. Not like today where everybody buys the same Kia because it's cheap. I mean, my friend Elton would probably actually know what kind of car this person was drawing. I mean, myself, I'm not a 100% car guy. All I can tell you is that it was a 1960s model car. possibly possibly a Mustang, but it wasn't a souped up Mustang. It was more of a classic car with a turquoise color. Not something that someone would paint if they were into, you know, say drifting cars or whatever, modifications to like if they were into, say, that movie there, what do you call it? Anyway, whatever. It's really cool. Anyway, so this is the end of this train. CN double stack. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day. Hoping for a CP train soon.